This video is just me talking, nothing fancy. So if you're practicing your English listening, you can relax. I'll speak slowly and clearly, but more importantly, I'll be honest, this is more like a conversation, not a lesson. So today, I just want to talk about that, about self-growth, about learning to be kinder to ourselves and maybe seeing ourselves a little more clearly. They say butterflies can't see their own wings. They don't realize how beautiful they are because they're not able to see themselves from the outside. And I think people are often the same way. We go through life carrying so much pressure, expectations, self-doubt, and we get used to seeing ourselves through the lens of what we lack or what we've messed up. We see the unfinished parts, the mistakes, the things we wish we could fix. And because of that, we often miss the progress we've made. The strength it took just to keep going, the quiet beauty in showing up every day, even when we feel like we're falling short. You may not realize how far you've come because you're still growing, still healing, still figuring things out, and that's okay. Growth isn't loud. Sometimes it looks like setting boundaries for the first time. Sometimes it's letting go of something that once defined you. Other times it's just getting out of bed when everything feels heavy. That is growth. That is strength, even if no one claps for it. And just like the butterfly, you might not always be able to see your own transformation, but the people who care about you, who really see you, they notice. They see the way you've softened in some places and gotten stronger in others. They see how you keep learning, keep trying, keep evolving, even on the days you feel stuck. If you ever feel like you're not doing enough, not being enough, I hope you remember this. Self-growth isn't about being perfect. It's about being honest with yourself. It's about giving yourself grace even when it feels hard. It's about knowing you're a work in progress and still choosing to love yourself anyway. And if you ever forget how much light you carry, let the people who love you remind you. Lean on them. You're not supposed to do this all alone. So yeah, maybe you're like that butterfly, still learning to see your own wings. Still learning to believe in what others already know about you. And that's okay. You'll get there. One step at a time. Thanks for listening. I hope something in this helped, even a little. If you're using this for English practice, just remember it's okay to not understand every word. What matters is that you're here trying. That is progress. And if you're just here because life feels heavy, I see you, you're not alone. Take care of yourself today, even in small ways. That counts too.